Just unscrew 3 screws, put the plate back, put it weight is exactly alignment for your cartridge, and it's your cartridge. This is fixed, doesn't move. I hope make it one piece. Like that's all.